The diatom chair is a convergence of a lot of the things I believe in. Biomimicry, exploration of natural phenomena, natural forces, lightness, dematerialization, structural integrity, material appropriation, recyclability. Aluminium is recyclable for the end of time. It's an amazing material, provided you've got energy. And so you get it at the right gauge or thickness, so you get it right down, and then this tessellation you see on the skin, that does a number of things. This is actually structure, which augments the aluminium, so you can use thinner aluminium, less material. It also means that when you sit on it, it forms little air cushions, so in the hot weather, there's an airflow around the chair. It seems very obvious to me, but this is a vertical stack through itself. So all designers are thinking, what do I do with the legs? Can I put the legs out here? Can I put the legs out there? I go, no, I'm putting them right through. Oh boy, you know, that seems very obvious to me, but for a lot of people that's genius. I don't know what that is. But it's a whole new way of looking at it. And it's comfortable. Just because there's some slots in it doesn't make any difference. It's called diatom because it references diatomic radiolaria, which live in the oceans. They're little silica, little organisms. They're incredibly beautiful. The design world doesn't know about them. The architecture world has them pinned on every wall. You know, because it's where structure, material, and nature all converge, and they are so beautiful, it's unreal. Nobody ever says, oh, that's an ugly tree, do they? So this thing that I've stuck with, which is a respect for and a sort of a biomimicral awareness of nature, I can bring into the work I do. So at this moment I'm working on a thing called biolumin. It's a light, it's incredible. Another one called chlorophilia, which I presented last week in Milan. There's this, if you looked at my body of work now, whoa, it's interesting because it has a sense of new nature, but it's technological. That's what it is. It's technological. The work that we promote in my studio with the people who work for me, who, as I say, they're not designers. They're digital architects at the highest level, from from highly trained, from great backgrounds, marine architects, car designers. I have a very different mindset in my studio. So there are days when I'm not even sure if I'm a designer, because I'm trying to originate a process that will inform a new way of thinking in design.